I ate that up. Let's get into how I did this hairstyle. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Make sure you check out any of my other videos. Let's get into it. See this hair? It's really cute. Yes.
Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. Take it slow, take it slow, take it slow. No, no, no. I was looking for affection, so I decided to go. Swing it in my direction. I'll be out of control.
And I'm parting like with a curve, not straight across. To like make them kind of go like that. And I'm using my screen viewer to start the braid. And I do cornrow underhand, so it might look crazy if you braid overhand. 2 braids so far, and then I'm gonna do this last one for Instagram and TikTok. You know, your girl is on all platforms. Well, your girl is on Instagram and on TikTok, so we gotta multitask. This is called batch creating. So I'm basically doing the same thing for this braid. Okay, I'm gonna do this one on Instagram. Well, do this one for Instagram and TikTok. My girlie is on YouTube. I know you're gonna be mad at me, but I already did my edges. I'm sorry. Trying to batch create. I did my edges. They look really good. I used the Fenty Hair, the controlling type edge control gel. I love this gel. Look at that. It's actually lasted me a long time because I really don't do my edges unless I'm like going out or like I need to do them. But this has been lasting since last year. I do have another one already in the stash, ready to go for when I finish this one up. I really didn't put a dent in this. My daughter did. I'm gonna put her little hands in here in this $18 bottle of edge control gel. But I just wanted to show you guys. What is this? The Cornrows volume spray. I just wanted to put a little bit. It's kind of loosened up my gel. So I don't know if that just kind of like counteracted it. So yeah, now I'm just gonna go ahead and do some curls in my hair real fast. Normally I was gonna try to do like a braid out so it could be like wavy, but I'm running out of time. That is the Tymo straightener and curler, well, curler and straightener. And I'm gonna be using these little butterflies because it's summertime and these just scream throwback. Yes, I'm a millennial, so I'm gonna put those in my hair. Apps. Gotta get something. Let's go ahead and start flat ironing with the Tymo. We're gonna curl actually. I don't know if I need the fan on, but I don't know how to curl with it. Okay, that was better. So maybe it was just a little bit too much. Using my little pencil flat iron. I'm gonna turn you off because it's about to cut off. Okay, so we are all done. I added the little butterfly clips. Let me know in the comments, what do you think about this hairstyle? I think it's giving summer. I'm so ready for summer. I feel like that seasonal depression leaving the body because it's starting to be warm outside. You know, everybody want to be out having fun, all the things. Like, this is such a cute style for summer. This is actually an old silk press and it still looks good. I think this is really pretty. Okay, I ate that up. Make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're not missing any of these hair series slash vlogs slash behind the scenes. What do you guys got planned for this summer? Let me know in the comments. My hands are sticky from this drink.